We know that when our patients aren't taking good care of their eating habits, it can lead to fatigue, poor concentration, health issues, and unwanted weight gain. One of the reasons I always recommend eggs as part of a healthy, balanced diet is they're not only relatively low in calories, but they're also a rich source of good quality protein. And research shows that diets high in protein increase satiety, leading to greater feelings of satisfaction, and reduced hunger, meaning your patients are less likely to find themselves rummaging around in the snack drawer. Eggs are also super versatile and can be enjoyed at any meal or as a snack or added to desserts. I love making little savory egg muffins. They make the perfect snack, or adding a couple of eggs to a salad and voila, a quick, easy lunch. For high protein meal ideas that you can share with your patients or enjoy yourself, head to the Australian Eggs website.